It's been 6 months of planning to be able to get these switch rooms skated into position. During the planning period, what we resolved was really working with our trade partners, 3D modelling, overlaying, clash detection. It also involved Millennium coming out to site on multiple inspections to set out their skates.
We come in to do the install part of it, so we start up with the steel, all the levelling, the surveying, and it comes to install day, bringing the switch room up, pulling it into the final position. Everything has to be perfect, so to the safety of everyone, and just make sure our rigging's absolutely perfect. I think even with 70 tonne or you're doing 7 tonne, we treat it as the same. So it's been a great success just doing the first 4 switch rooms, 7 to go I think it is. So we'll just keep flying through and we'll get it all done.
On previous data centre jobs, we would stick build these switch rooms into position. This is coming as a prefabricated finished room. That leads to more efficiency on site and a better result for NEXTDC, Kapitol and all the trades involved.